Welcome to App Tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can install Metamask on Google Chrome. It's a simple process, so let's start. First of all, open the Google Chrome browser. Then on the search bar, type Metamask. You will find various options in the search results. Go to the website metamask.io. Now at this stage, you will find this download option. Click on it. After that, you will find various options regarding the browsers where you want to install Metamask. Since we are installing it on Chrome, simply click on this Install Metamask for Chrome. It will take you to the Chrome web store from where you can install Metamask as an extension. For that, click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. It will take a few moments to download and install the application. After the installation is complete, the Metamask app will open by itself and you can use it however you like. You can either create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. So as you can see, this is how you can install Metamask on Google Chrome. I hope you understood the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.